and crossing the lane being the worst.
All right, Mike, you got lane
So
choice?
if you racing and you hit the wall, you lose.
270
But
for Mike Bard,
if the person you was racing crossed the line while you win. That's how it go now.
All right, here we go.
Appreciate it, man.
Another Plan B racing. Left lane versus Charlotte Creations. Right lane. Who's going to take it? This ought to be a good one. Both of these guys experienced drivers in a bracket race.
Thank you. I'm right here, y'all. We got the best of Texas barbecue sauce versus Hold in the Pocket from New York. Where y'all going? I'll take a Hold in the Pocket.
Both drivers in. Watch the lights. Poultry.
Look at his stand. Ooh! Ah!
That one's over right there. That car looks like it's sustained a little bit of damage there. Mike Bard, the best of Texas barbecue sauce, moves on to the next round with a 278.4 on a 270 dial.
Best of Texas barbecue with the win, y'all.
You gonna eat all that?
Took out my boy from New York. Unit 843, look out.
Correct. That's a great question, and we'll address that in just a minute. Dialing. Got it. Got it. All right, guys, while they're doing their burnouts, guys, I just had a great question. Listen, when our curfew time is up, and we'll get a clarification on that time. I know it was previously set at one time, but we are running now a little bit ahead of schedule. So we might be able to get this race completely in the books today. And for those that want to buy into a completely another race tomorrow with the same stakes and everything at odds, that we can possibly pull that off. However, at the end of today, drivers, watch the lights. Marcus Telemontes takes the win like 217 with the 562 miles an hour on a 210 dial. At the end of today, guys, everyone must completely tear down their pit areas and completely remove them from the parking lot. That is in our contract. You come back tomorrow morning and reset up your entire pit area. Usually when the RCDR have multi-day races, you're allowed to set up your pits and just put away your valuables, but they do need everything out of the parking lot tonight.
Okay, so y'all trying to make a way to steal.
The rest of it once the clock expires on us. All right, moving right along. Now you got blank choice. Right lane 290. Got it. Yes, sir. And remember, folks, after this race is over with, Drag Track keeps your information in Drag Track forever. Forever, ever? Ever.
Man, I'm ready for the hiccup to stop. Stop, hiccup. Hey.
All right, here we go. Drivers, full tree, watch the lights.
Dang, boy, he got heels running.
And Ryan, blistering, 205 with an 8
I can
on a
tell that was a good
two-flat
pass.
dial in, takes the win line over Lee.
I knew that was a good pass. Tell that guy with the black
And that will
hoodie
do
to
it.
your right. He
Round
is
number
slow.
2 Street Eliminator. True Street will need you up here for your semi-final pass. And then we have the final round in Young Gunners coming up, looks like right now, while True Street comes up to the starting line. Michaela will have lane choice over Dallas.
It's the final.
And folks,
Good luck. Okay.
we did not take donations for this class. Is what's my college still here? That's a shame. I didn't mean to say that, guys.
Ooh, I think the Hiccups gone now, y'all. I ate a peanut butter jelly sandwich
Mitch Vaughn donated
and drunk some water,
$50
and I think I
to
tricked
second
him
place
for right
in the
now.
Young Gunners bracket. Since that bracket is free, there's nothing to collect. So I said to Mitch, I'll see your 50 and raise you 50. And then it stopped right there, and I forgot to take any others. So, Young Gunners right now is $100 to win, $50 to runner-up. There's anybody out
I'm
here
glad
that
it
wants
stopped
to
now.
add to that?
Kenny
We're not
277,
gonna
look
do it
out.
Because it's the finals, no pressure at all.
Oh, they got the finals coming up, y'all.
Close your ears up. Close your ears up.
And what? Oh, okay. Best reaction time, $20 to the winner. All right, to the final winner. Thank you, sir. What's your name? Sam? Thank you. Mike.
They ready to get the money. He look like he won. He got his hands out.
We need 10.
10 minutes? 10 minutes. He said 10 minutes.
He for real about his.
So we're gonna. That's fine, because that was running that out of order. I was doing that because you guys have requested it.
Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Had to look out for Lookout Racing Club.
All right, 10-minute clock has started.
Yeah, I just sent that. I sent my logo to Team Thundercock. Did you? Oh yeah, he said he got it. What? Twisted Soul. I need Twisted Soul know how to do it. Twisted Soul.
Archie Morasco,
where can I send-
Richard Madera, teammates. Rode together, raced together.
Fighting together, going home. He's broke?
$5. He broke it.
Literally broke.
Did he? I mean, he's go 10 minutes and nothing. Oh, we're going to the final. All right, you want to run it down or?
Starting up a DS.
Archie, you ready to run it?
Team Thundercock that came up with the thing. Safety.
All right.